Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the environment. Open the exact workbook and confirm it is not protected or read-only. Once done, enable developer and allow trust access to the VBA project so your code can interact with the file. Next, open the Visual Basic Editor and check tools, write arrow references for any missing libraries, remove or replace them. These steps stop immediate permission and reference failures, so your macros can proceed to operate against ranges and objects. Now you trace the code to the exact failing statement. Press F8 and watch variable values and object states. Make sure you declare variables with option explicit so type errors appear early. Once you find the line, confirm the workbook and worksheet objects are set and qualified. Unqualified range or cells often cause error 1004. Also, replace select and activate with direct references, because selecting can fail in hidden or protected sheets. These practices eliminate most runtime object and syntax conflicts. Finally, address persisting causes. If the file behaves oddly, save a copy or export modules and rebuild in a new workbook to remove corruption. Make sure worksheet names match exactly and that protection, shared workbooks, or external links aren't blocking operations. Once fixed, add a simple on-error handler that logs the procedure and line number so you can quickly pinpoint future failures. If problems remain, test the code on a small sample workbook to reproduce and isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.